with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty. There is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Think 100 times before you take a decision. But once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. You have to stand guard over the development and maintenance of Islamic democracy, Islamic social justice, and the equality of manhood in your own native soil. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence, but also the Muslim ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift, and which we hope others will share with us. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. Expect the best, prepare for the worst. We are starting with this fundamental principle, that we are all citizens and equal citizens of one state. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword and the other is the pen. There is a great competition and rivalry between the two. There is a third power stronger than both, that of the women. You are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosques or to any other places of worship in this state of Pakistan. You may belong to any religion or caste or creed. That has nothing to do with the business of the state.